preparation he has to go through before coming into this profession, because nobody is going to do.
Hello and welcome to Sailor Success. I am Asim Rastogi. As you all know, Merchant Navy is about leaders. So today I have somebody who is one such leader. Is a real motivation machine. Each of his life's phase has been a great achievement in itself. Today it is going to be a different interview because you will not be seeing faces, but you will be seeing the life story in a timeline format of Captain Ganesh's lifetime, what he has done until now. He is a fitness pro, he's a runner, he runs ultrathons, marathons, and what not you can think of. He is a professional photographer. Focus on it. His words are really meaningful and they will add value to your life. They will give you a direction.
Good evening, Asim. Thanks for the invitation.
How the idea of Merchant Navy came into your mind and how it all started. Can we have some idea?
Okay, I'm the 90s kid. Okay, so I finished my schooling and all in early 90s. And then that time Merchant Navy was for South Indian. I'm from Madras, proper Chennai guy.
Nice.
For us, those days there were only two options: either engineer bano, either doctor bano. Luckily, I had a friend who was from Mumbai. He gave this Times of India article, and there was an All India entrance. He got selected. Then I went for my training to Chanakya, and then rest is history. So I started my career in '94. 94 batch of Chanakya, and 95 onwards, the shipping line started. It's been going on since then.
That's so nice, sir. Like in the era of engineering and doctors, you chose something that was out of the way. That was really a strong decision, I must say.
Maybe thinking different was always something, a thing which I wanted to try.
We have plenty of people, plenty of new guys who want to come into this field. And is there any special message that you would like to give to them for keeping patience and not getting the jobs?
I've been interviewing my company cadets for quite some time. I realized is they are not prepared for what they are signing up. Okay, it requires high level of professionalism, and which comes with a lot of sacrifice and discipline.
Right.
Okay, and that is okay. That part for a person who has been spoon-fed by parents and taken care of in each and every stage of midlife, for him it's a different climb altogether.
Yes.
But this is a mental preparation he has to go through before coming into this profession, because nobody is going to do anything for him. He has to do it everything on his own. Having said that, when you come to this profession, you need to do very good study about this profession. You got to know about basic things about what job you are going to do, the real practical thing. Don't go about the after 10 years and after 20 years wala path. That's a different story. The reality which is going to happen the very next day when you're going to join the ship, that reality you should have a very clear picture about that. It's very unfortunate that the generation have changed. We can't blame any person. The generation has changed, so the tolerance level has also changed. So the youngsters, they need to have that clear picture very well that things will not be the same way it is now. There will be a lot of pressure. The people will be abusive. It's all because of pressure, nothing personal. Right. But there should be a tolerant level to look at the brighter picture. Unfortunately, these are all very big things for a young mind to take in.
Correct.
But if you want to become a sailor, you have to be that to get into that thing in the very first day onwards.
Exactly.
You don't get tethering time to थोड़ा बहुत mature होने के लिए तुमको मैं 4 महीने का मौका देता हूँ. No, the day you are on board, वो जूता पहन लिया, that boiler suit is there, then you have to behave like a sailor. And so that requires a very big commitment. It's not just a verbal thing. It's a huge change in attitude which is required. That is very important. Rest everything is बात की बात है. Then you do research about the company. Then you do the right way to do the joining. It's not that there are procedures to join shipping. That procedures have to be very clear. It is not easy. It is very tough. It has become tough. I would put it other way, because they have made it tough. I can make it more blunt. But since it is tough, you need to know the right way to get in it, where you can everything is done in a proper manner and you are assured of things. If this knowledge is not gained properly by you, you have to do that hard work to learn it properly.
Right.
Nobody is going to come and teach you. You do your homework, you do your research, you talk to your friends. Then you do it with the right way, approach the right procedure, whether it is a company interview, come with the sponsorship, go with the sponsorship given by the company.
Yes.
These are all the most important things, because whatever you do in this few months of time, this homework is what your life is going to be.
Correct.
It is very unfortunate for a young kid who is only 17, 18, who has come out of his 10 plus 2 to do so much of research in his life to decide about his future.
Correct.
Unlike any BCom or any engineering guy who will spend his own 2 or 3 years of his life to understand what he has to become.
Right.
For a merchant navy guy, the day you are passed out and you decide to join merchant navy, these decisions you have to take the very next few months of time. You don't have the luxury of time. If you make a wrong mistake, you do a wrong choice, your life will be questioned. And unfortunately, I have witnessed so many in this career, in this the time which I spent in merchant navy.
Yes, sir.
Your life can get shattered. And being young and being poor is the worst thing. Both things should not happen together.
Correct.
So, but people make wrong choices because they are not guided properly. And here we can't blame anyone, because the onus lies only on you, only on that boy, either the caretakers or the people who are guiding him to take him to that door properly. If you use the proper channel and you come in, you will get inside. Now, this is where the question is. First of all, getting in is just homework. After getting inside, you need a lot of patience, because the market is huge.
Right.
And so becoming a sailor comes with a lot of sacrifice and patience before joining ship only.
Correct.
Let's not come to the other part. Okay.
Right.
After becoming a sailor and coming on board and becoming, that's a different story. I was very elaborate in my explanation, but these are the real facts. I'm not talking about academics. I'm talking about क्या पढ़ना है, कितना पढ़ना है, वो तुम्हारे ऊपर. So if you have done these all things right, then you are set. You are ready for being a sailor. That's it.
Right. So basically, as per you, mental preparation is the most essential part of coming into merchant navy. So apart from mental preparation, they should know what exactly they are going to go through. And at Sailor Success, I am trying my level best to get the information for the younger generation, younger ones, who should know what actually is merchant navy all about. It's not only about dollars and the uniform. They must know that.
It's a very good platform you are operating. I've been watching you for quite some time, and it's pretty fascinating and very inspiring to see the way you are taking it up.
Thank you for your kind words. Thank you.